Bob Jamieson is Massachusetts.
The Marshfield High Rams are prepared for the big game against the Quincy President. Prepared by a long week of practice and by paying $200 each to play this season. Quarterback Steve Ruizzi would not have connected with Dan Cahill on this touchdown pass if they had not paid their $200. Just as Kylie Jewers would not have helped lead the cheers if she hadn't paid her $200. Everyone involved in sports at Marshfield Public High is charged a user fee because the school says it can no longer pay for athletic programs.
If you go into high school, I don't think you should pay $200.
It's not fair. I mean, there are people out there that don't have the money.
I think it's ridiculous. I don't think we should have to pay to do a sport.
Marshfield's school budget, like those in many communities across the country, is shrinking. State aid has been reduced dramatically, and Marshfield residents have refused to make up the difference by raising local taxes. Administrators say their choice was to cut either academics or athletics, but that does not mean they favor a user fee.
As we provide less opportunities by eliminating things other than the pure academics, to that degree, we are impoverishing our young people.
While it has kept the athletic programs alive, many believe the user fee subverts the goal of public education, equal access to school programs. Not every family can afford to pay. And even though Marshfield would waive the fee, teachers say many students are unwilling to admit they cannot afford it. And some parents of athletes resent that the entire community is not paying for the programs.
If your taxes are being used for everything else, then the school should provide the sport equipment and uniforms needed to play these sports.
And Coach Lou Silva feels pressured by parents who argue their son should play because they have paid $200.
And I'm trying to explain to them that we're trying to win ball games, and I can't get everybody into a game, but still, there's a lot of pressure to play the kids when they're paying that kind of money.
School officials worry that if Marshfield's budget continues to shrink, next year or the year after, there may be fees for music, drama, and art. But at least there was some good news. On a fourth-quarter pass from Ruizzi to Cahill, the Rams won the big game against Quincy, 20-19. Bob Jamieson, ABC News, Marshfield, Massachusetts.
Back in just a moment.